good morning. It's already 7:13 a.m. in the morning and today is our collection day and then papunta na tayo doon sa location kung saan. And medyo malayo siya pero hindi ba ako nakaka 1/8 or 1/4 sa akin. Nilalakad kasi kakaalis ko pa lang galing sa birthing house and mag-start yung aming recollection. It's 7:30. I hope nandun pa sila sa labas pag pupunta ko doon. So, bye! Tayo! I'm so happy and excited kasi nakabalik ako ulit dito and I will show you the view. That it's super peaceful. Very peaceful talaga dito. And nakarating ako ng 7:21 a.m. and I'm so happy kasi hindi ako late. Pagpasok ko kanina, it's ano pa siya. Ang ganda talaga dito. Ibang classmates ka. Hi guys, so ito na pala yung activity namin sa aming recollection. So bali, may inner circle, may outer circle. Tapos yung inner circle, bali doon yung nag-start yung connection ng yarn. So tapos kami naman dito sa labas is-support sa kanila. Tapos yung ibig sabihin ng connection, yung para siyang spider web na ano, is ibig sabihin nun is yung strong relationship mo within the family, friends, and stranger people. So ayun. So I am so happy, excited kasi na-witness ko tong ano na to. So bali
Hi guys! So today, we're here in the recollection day of San Luis College, Battery Tower.
So doon nagtatapos ang aming recollection and after that, nagkagawa na kami ng thesis. So thank you for watching guys. Bye! See you in my next video!